Good day everyone, my name is Elijah Gordora, 16 years old, and I live in Barangay San Jose, Llorendos, and Samar. My father's name is Alfredo, he's a construction worker, and my mother's name is Miriam, a surgery maker. My religion is born again Christian, and I love playing basketball and long jump, triple jump, and high jump. My height is 5'7", and my weight is 49. I'm just a simple boy who's striving to study to help my family and make them proud of me. So that's all. Thank you. And God bless you all. Bye-bye.